When you start studying with the Open University, you can usually access your module website a couple of weeks before you need to start studying. All you need is a computer, a tablet, or a mobile phone, and internet access. Once you're on the website, you can start working through your study materials and contact your tutor. You can watch videos, complete quizzes, and take part in discussion forums and online tutorials. Your study planner gives you a step-by-step guide through your studies. It can also tell you if you've got an assignment or a tutorial coming up. And by tracking your progress, you can decide what you need to prioritize and focus on next. All our modules are structured to prepare for your assessments. You can access all the important information, including your grades, whenever you want. You can also take part in the community and module forums, which are a really important part of your studies. And here, you'll be able to talk with your tutor and other students and find support if you need it. And finally, your online materials are available in a range of different formats which you can download onto your devices, so you can study when you're on the go. Welcome to your module website. It's with you every step of the way.